I'm good.
Are you fine?
Yes, I'm fine. What about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also good. Fine. What, what's your day? How was your day?
It was good.
MashaAllah. That's great. Okay, let's do it. A'udhu billah, bismillah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
Tanir Rajim. Hold it.
الشيطان الرجيم.
Bismillah.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillah.
بسم الله
Hirrahmanirrahim.
الرحمن الرحيم.
Yeah, okay. Start reading.
ألف با تا فا جيم ها خا
Not kha.
خا دال زال را
Ra.
را زا سين شين صا
Sod.
صاد
Sod.
صاد ضاد تا
Not bold it.
طا ظا عين
Ain.
عين غين فا قاف كاف لام ميم نون واو ها همزة يا لام ألف لام ها با لام با كاف با كاف تا كاف صا طه صا جيم
See? One dot on top.
نون نون خا
Yeah.
با ميم قانون
Noon.
لام ثا نون طه ظا يا جيم با طه ها با ها ألف با ها ميم خا را ظا
خا
خذا
Yeah,
صاد با
yeah, quick.
ها هذا
Hana not. What is it?
ها
This is ha.
همزة
Yeah. And this is Ain, okay?
زازا
Yeah, this is Hamza not, okay? Hamza is not joining like it. They are showing and they are writing uh, next to this Hamza like Hamza, but it's not Hamza in real. This is Ain and Za. Hamza not joining like in start like it, okay? Yeah. Then
غين را صاد صاد عين
yeah, this one.
دال غاين دا غاين كاف لام
Ghain,
دا غاين ذال
like it. Hamza comes like it, okay? Hamza comes like it. Now read this one.
همزة واو
Yeah.
خاف با لام ألف لام ميم صاد دا
Ah, not bold it. Oh,
دا
ah,
صاد
not seen. Read as right.
دا
Tasim.
دا سين
Tasim. Seem. It will read as double M, okay? Not seen. The actual sound of seen will not read. It will read seem, okay? Because seen is joining with meme. SEEM, okay? Seem. So read it.
دا
Tasim.
سين ميم
Okay. This one. Yeah, quick.
حميم عين يا
Ain. This one, the mid one. After Ain. Sa
صاد
not, I told you. This is what seen.
سين قاف
Yeah, Hamim, Ain, Sin, Qaf.
حميم عين سين قاف
Yeah, read this one. Yeah,
حمزة زبر أ
yeah,
حمزة زي إي حمزة پیش U, A, I, U, I, A.
Good. This one.
Ha, zebra, ha, zed, ha, fish, ha, he, ha.
This one.
Cough, zebra,
Cough, not
cough,
kha. This one is cough with two dots. This is kha you read in Qaida right now as well. What is it?
cough, cough, he,
No research.
hu,
Say khahihu.
he, ha.
This one.
Cough, zebra, cough, zed, cough, fish, cookie, ka.
This one.
Sad,
Zod
ein,
not.
sad,
Zod, Zod.
sad, zad, zeber, zad,
Zod, Zabar, Za. Read sound.
zad, zeber, za,
Don't forget the sounds. Yeah. See.
zad, ze, zi, zad, pish, zu, zad, vizu, zu, ziza,
Zazizu, Zuzi, Za.
zad, zizu, zu, ziza, rariru,
Rariru. Then reverse.
ruri, ra, tatitu,
Ta not. I told you. Ta this
totitu,
one. Yeah, this is ta.
tatitu, tutita.
Okay. This.
Sauciço, sauciça, zazizu, zuziza,
This is not za. This is za. Okay. This is za. Zazizu. Zazi.
zazi, zazizu, zuziza,
Zuzi, Za. Za.
zuziza,
Yeah, read this one.
mim du zeberman,
Mindo Zabarman.
mim du zeberman, mim du zermen, mim du pishmun, man, min, mun. Mun min
No,
mar
no. No need for reverse. Next one.
badu zeber ban badu zer ben ban ben bun
Bado Zir bin Bado Pesh.
bun
Okay, next one.
ban ben bun
Yeah, next.
bun ben ban
No, no need for reverse. Read next one. Wow.
wadu zeber one wadu zer win wadu pesh one win one
Yeah.
Fadu zeber fan, fadu zer fin, fadu pesh fun, fan fen fun,
Fun, fin, fun.
fan fin fun.
Hide your voice in your nose. Read this one.
Fadu zeber tan,
What is it? Which
zaz
let? Yeah.
zaz zu zeber zan, zadu zer zin, zadu pesh zun, zan zin zun,
Are you under?
zun
Are
zin.
you? No, no. Don't. No need. Are you understanding the lesson? What I am teaching you?
Yeah,
Is it fine or not?
it's fine.
Okay. Read this one
Sadu devesan
without spelling.
zan sad
Without spelling. So read in your mind and let me know. What is it?
zan, zin,
Zod not. Zod comes with dot. This is without dot. What is it?
sad, sid, sud,
Zod not. Son.
sun, sin, sun,
Yeah, this one without spelling.
mm, dardu, zebetan,
Without spelling. See?
ton, tin, ton,
This,
ton, tin, tan,
no need for reverse. Read this one.
ra, ra, ri, ru,
No, this is not Zabar only. What happened? Ra do Zabar?
run,
Yeah,
rin,
read
run, run,
this.
ren.
Okay, read this one.
Zaddu zivizan, zaddu zizin, zaddu pishzun, zan zin zun,
Read this one without spelling. Spell in your mind first, then let me know. Then read.
kon, kin, kun,
Read.
kaftu zibaka,
This is what? This was cough,
kya,
and this one is what?
kof,
Cough. This was with two dots. This one what? What is it? What?
ka,
Which letter is this? Say
ka,
Ka or Ka?
ka,
Well, what? Sorry.
ka,
Ka. Are you saying Ka or Kha?
ka,
Yeah, this is Kha, right? Don't forget the sound. This is cough. And when we read with those over those topic, then the sound will be changed. Con, kin, con, and this is what? Kha those over.
kon,
Next.
kun,
Khun, khun, khon, khin, khun.
kon, kin, kun.
Yeah, like yesterday, I'm now writing for you something, okay?
Mhm.
And then answer me. What is it?
Kof,
Of not, this is Kha. Kha
ka,
zabar.
ka,
Kha zabar.
ka,
Yeah, then
mm,
read.
shin, kon, ka, sin, is,
Read every letter sound. Ha zabar what?
father, ka,
And
sin,
sheen.
si,
Sheen. This is sheen. Sheen without dot comes.
shin,
Yeah. Sheen there.
shin, the, she,
Yeah. Join them both sounds.
ka, shin,
What? Ha.
shin,
Sheen not. Sheen there what?
ka, she,
Ha. She not. Wait a minute. Let me tell you one thing. What is it? Sheen zabar.
sha,
Sheen there.
she,
So this is as well. Sheen there.
she,
So why are you confusing? Ha zabar.
ka,
Sheen there.
she,
Join them. Kha,
Koshi.
yeah, kha and she. Khoshi. What is
Koshi.
it?
Koshi.
Then ya zabar.
Ya.
Now join.
Koshia.
Khoshi ya.
Koshia.
Yeah. Now read this one. Read quick, quick.
Lam zibilla.
Lam, not this is this letter. This letter. What is it? Same.
Ra.
Yeah. Read it.
Ra zibilla. Fa zibir fa. Sin zibir sa.
Seen we are.
Ain zibir a.
First of all, read first one. Then and remember the sound of first letter. Then read the second. Then join both sound together. Then read the third one with two sounds and join all sounds together. Got it?
Ra zibir ra. Fa zibir fa.
Now
Ra
join.
fa.
Yeah, Rafa. Then the last one.
Ain zibir a. Ra fa a.
Yeah, good. Rafa'a.
Ra fa a.
Yeah, yeah, Rafa'a. This is what?
Mm,
This is Ain, okay?
mhm.
Yeah, read it. Quick, quick.
Ain zibir a.
So,
Dal
can
zibir
you
da.
read the sound
Ada.
only? Only sound. Don't
Adala.
stretch. Yeah,
Adala.
yeah. These letters will read quickly because there is fatha, kasra, and dhamma. Okay, these letters not stretch. Adala.
Adala.
Yeah. Now read quickly. You
Ain
read.
zibir a. Ba zibir ba. Aba. Sin zibir sa. Abos. Abosa.
Abasa. Don't stretch.
Abasa.
Zabar zir pesh letters not stretch. Abasa. Now read this one without spell. Okay. Think in your mind. Read it.
Zakara.
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 Yeah, good, mashallah. This is Jim, okay? Read it.
Jim zibir ja.
Sounds only.
Jama'a.
Don't say
Jama'a.
ja, jama'a. Think in your mind, then read loudly. Read, read it.
Hashara. Hashara.
Ashara.
Hashara.
Yeah, yeah. This one.
Mm, Amadon.
Dal do
Amadon.
zir.
Din.
What is it?
Amadin.
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 Yeah, now read this one. Read it.
Ana.
Ain zabar a and ain zir what? There is zir.
Inaba.
What? Sorry.
Inaba.
Yeah. Ina ba not ba with do zabar. So what is it?
Inaban.
Ina ban. Yeah. Now read this one.
Tabakan.
Good. Read this one.
Ba. Zebra. Ba.
Mm.
Go.
Read it.
Ba. Ki. La.
Don't stretch.
Bakila.
Bakhila.
Bakila.
Read it. This is cough.
Kaf. Peshku.
Without
Ta.
spell. Right. Yeah.
Kaftala.
What?
Kaftala.
This is cough with pace. Cough tala not. Look at the letters. Cough pace.
Ku.
Then tazir.
Kutila.
Yeah. Read this one.
Kaf. Kaf. Zebra. Alef. Ka.
No, no, there is no alif. Qaf zabar and dal zabar and ra zabar.
Ka. Zebra. Ka.
Qaf zabar qa, then join sounds.
Dal. Zebra. Da. Lam. Zebra. La.
Lam not, this is ra.
Ra. Zebra. Ra.
Like it, ra.
Qadara.
Yeah, this is also ra, okay? Same, both are ra. Read this one.
Kafbaron.
No, think it. Think about it.
Kabadan.
Now join them.
Kabadan.
Ka not ka. Kabadan not. This is dal with double there. Those here. Zir sound is different. Dal do zabardan and dal do
Dal.
zir.
Den.
Yeah, before reading, think about it, about sound. Kaba,
Zer.
dal do zir sound is what? Kaba,
Dan.
dal do
Den.
zabardan. Kaba, dal do zir.
Den.
Yeah, so join them.
Kabaden.
Yeah, good. Now read the next one.
Mm, Kaf. Zebra. Ka.
Yeah,
Mm,
quickly.
mm,
Qaf zabar qa. This is seen. Seen sound is what? Seen zabar.
Ta.
Join them.
Pishmun.
Join them.
Kasamun.
Ka not qa. Qa. Bold it.
Kotamun.
Qasa. Qasamun.
Kosamun.
Now read this one quickly. The upper one.
Ko. Ko.
This qa not kaf with pesh. Quickly. Kaf zabar ka. Kaf dir ki. Kaf pesh.
Ku.
Think like it. Okay. Think like it. Read in your mind. This is kaf with pesh. So what is the
Yafiku. Tapish tu. Badu zib. Badu
join
pishbun.
two letters first?
Katabun.
No, no. Join two sounds first. It will be easy for you. If you join three sounds, then you forget the earlier letter sound, the first one sound. Okay. So join both first. These read it. Kaf pesh
Kafpishku.
and ta pesh.
Tapishtu.
Join them.
Katu.
Kaf pesh. What you read? Ka or ku?
Katu.
No, no. Kaf pesh. What sound you read? Ka, ki, or
Ku.
so read ku and remember it, and then read the
Kuta.
kuta not ta with pesh. You are mistaking. Ka pesh ku and ta pesh.
Tu.
So
Katu.
ka not. You are again mistaking. Kaf zabar ka, kaf zir ki, kaf pesh.
Ku.
So remember it. Ku and ta with pesh.
Tu.
Join them.
Katu.
Katu not ku ku. The first one is what?
Kuta.
Kuta not ku ta pesh.
Tu.
So what
Katu.
you are saying ka. You are reading ka. Listen. This is kaf zabar ka. Okay. This is kaf zir ki. And this one is kaf pesh.
Kuta.
No, no. This is ku.
Kutu.
Okay.
Kutu.
Yeah, kutu. Ta pesh tu. Ku and tu. Then bado pesh.
Bon.
So join them.
Katu
Sorry.
bon.
Katu not ku tu. Kutu.
Kutu bon.
Yeah, kutu bun. Katu not. Think and then read. Now read with me. uh, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
الحمد لله رب العالمين. الحمد
الحمد
لله
لله
رب العالمين.
رب العالمين.
الرحمن الرحيم. الر-
الرحمن الرحيم.
الرحمن
الرحمن
الرحيم.
الرحيم.
Yeah, look at the screen. مالك يوم الدين. مالك.
مالك يوم الدين.
يا مالك يوم الدين.
مالك يوم الدين.
إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين.
وإياك أعبد.
No, no, إياك نعبد
إياك نعبد
و...
نستعين.
وإياك نستعين.
وإياك نستعين.
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم.
صراط المستقيم.
اهدنا الصراط
اهدنا الصراط
المستقيم.
المستقيم.
مستقيم.
مستقيم.
صراط
صراط
صراط استترى والذين
الذين
أنعمت
أنعمت
عليهم
عليهم
غير
غير
المغضوب
المغضوب
عليهم
عليهم
ولا الضالين
ولا الضالين.
آمين.
آمين.
Yeah, yeah. Dua for having meal, starting meal. Bismillahi,
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahi wa ala.
وعلى المستقيم.
No, no, Bismillahi wa ala. Say
وعلى
Bismillahi
بسم الله
wa ala
وعلى
barakatillah.
كتلا
Katillah.
كتلا.
Now read this one. When we start our prayer, okay? So this is the first thing we read, okay? Subhana
سبحانك
kallahumma
اللهم
wa bihamdika
وبحمدك
wa tabara
وتبارك اسمك
good wa ta'ala
وتعالى
jadduka
جدك
wa la ilaha
ولا إله
ghayruk.
غيرك.
Yeah, dua for sleeping. Allahumma
اللهم
bismika
باسمك
amutu
أموت
wa ahya.
وأحيا.
Yeah, that's enough. This meeting will be finished. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.